Isn't it amazing that you can forget what you had for dinner last night, but you will not forget that note that was cracking when you're performing? And that might have been 6 months ago, and no, your brain will not forget. This is what we're gonna debunk today. I'm Christine. I'm a vocal health and performance coach, voice therapist, and I help speakers and singers build a voice that they can trust and rely on. Again, when we have a high note and there's just one crack in the song, what will the brain remember? That crack. By the way, is the audience going to remember? Heck no, they just enjoyed hearing you sing. But we hold on to that one negative thought, that one mistake that happened during the performance. And so next time you want to sing that song, the brain goes, oh, here we go. Here's that high note again. I see this happening over and over. And that's because the brain is trying to protect you. The brain is thinking, oh, here goes that song again. We better hold back. We better rehearse it a lot more before we do it again. So what happens, the body starts to tensen up, and when we're nervous, breathing gets more shallow, and that it creates tension in the throat. And that then what can cause a crack when you're singing. So it's not that because one note cracked is that you're a bad singer, or next time you sing that song, you're not going to be able to. There's a reason why that note was cracking right at that time. Maybe there wasn't enough support. Maybe there was some dryness. Maybe approach on how you sang that note wasn't the most efficient for the voice. But the bigger picture here is that what the brain remembers what happened with the previous performance and how we go about it as we sing that song again or we need to do it in the next performance. We got to separate the thoughts that come along with it, because if you're going to approach that song moving forward, oh, my voice cracked, I don't know if I can do it. You got to approach it from, well, I noticed the voice cracked right at that time. Let me look why that happened, and then approach it from a different angle, because then you know why it happened and then you can prevent it. And that's what gives you the security, because now you have control over your voice again, and that's what gives you the confidence. And then you can just sing and you'll remember that was a good performance, and that's what the brain likes to remember as well. And if you're somebody that struggles with that because you feel like, oh man, I've had good performances in the past, but now my notes just keep cracking. If you need some help with that, I'll drop the link below, reach out to me. And if you found this video helpful, click subscribe. There's a lot more useful tools to come for you.